New information has emerged regarding the Galaxy S25 series, specifically Samsung's internal codename for its upcoming flagship, Paradigm. According to reports from GalaxyClub, Samsung has assigned this codename to the Galaxy S25 series. For context, the Galaxy S23 was codenamed Diamond, and the Galaxy S24 was known as Eureka. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series may be among the top smartphones of 2024, but their design lacks a unified, cohesive look across the lineup. However, this is expected to change with the launch of the Galaxy S25 series next year. Leaker Ice Universe has shared an image showing what appear to be Galaxy S25 dummy units, which look quite convincing. Though they are likely mock-up models given that the phones aren't expected to launch until early next year, the image reveals some interesting details. The photo only shows the front of the phones, but it confirms rumors that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will move away from the sharp corners of its predecessors, adopting softer curves similar to the base and Plus models. This gives the Ultra a more consistent look within the lineup, rather than standing out with a distinct design. While the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus look mostly similar to their predecessors, rumors suggest they may be slightly shorter, slimmer, and narrower. All three models may feature textured camera rings, though this can't be confirmed from the dummy units. However, they do hint at the possibility of thinner bezels, which aligns with recent rumors. Although the Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to have flat sides like the other two models, it's rumored to feature an asymmetric design that has yet to be accurately depicted in any leaks. This change is expected to improve ergonomics. The most noticeable feature in the leaked image is the thinner bezels, which give the phones a sleeker look. The cohesive design across all models is also a welcome improvement. A user on X, David from XLeak7, were thrilled to reveal images and a video featuring the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, represented as an aluminum dummy model. From the leaked aluminum dummy, it appears that Samsung is sticking with its minimalist design philosophy. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a striking rear panel with 5 circular cutouts for the camera array, reminiscent of the S24 Ultra. Up front, the S25 Ultra features even slimmer bezels than its predecessor, maximizing screen real estate. It includes a punch-hole front camera and an earpiece speaker integrated at the top of the display. The leaked dimensions of the S25 Ultra are 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly taller, narrower, and thinner than the S24 Ultra. This indicates that Samsung is aiming for a sleeker design while maintaining its signature large display. These slight adjustments suggest a focus on improved ergonomics without sacrificing display size or camera quality. While the leaked images don't specify camera details, the 5 circular cutouts hint at a multi-camera setup, likely featuring Samsung's latest sensor innovations. Phone cases are also on the horizon. Thanks to a leak from well-known tipster Ice Universe, we now have a sneak peek at a case that could be designed for the Ultra model. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.